Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Persona feature in Suno step by step. This feature lets you create consistent singers or characters so your songs can have the same voice and personality across multiple tracks. Let's get started. Suno AI includes a feature called Persona, which allows you to define a specific singer style, character identity, or vocal personality that can be reused in different songs. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Open Suno AI. First, go to the Suno AI website and log into your account. Once you reach the dashboard, click Create to start generating a song. Step 2. Enable Persona. In the creation interface, look for the Persona option. This feature lets you define the voice identity or character for the song. Click Create Persona or select an existing one. Step 3. Define the persona. Now describe the singer or character you want. You can include details such as vocal type, male, female, raspy, soft, energetic, music style, pop, indie, rap, rock, personality or mood, emotional, energetic, calm, background or theme of the artist. Example: female indie pop singer with a soft emotional voice and dreamy style. Step 4. Add your lyrics. In the lyrics section, paste or write your song lyrics. Make sure they are structured with verses and chorus for better results. Step 5. Generate the song. Click Generate. Suno will create a song using the defined persona so the voice and style match the character you describe. Step 6. Reuse the persona. Once created, you can reuse the same persona in future songs. This helps keep the same vocal identity across multiple tracks. Step 7. Build a consistent artist style. By using the same persona repeatedly, you can create multiple songs that sound like they are performed by the same AI artist. This is useful for building a consistent music project or theme. Important tip: be specific when describing your persona. The clearer the description, the more consistent the voice and style will be across songs. And that's it. That's how you use Suno's Persona feature step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI music tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.